Do you want to learn how to make this wonderful beaded art pendant? Well, in this tutorial I will teach you how to do it. Here I show you the supplies needed. 12 4mm bicones or faceted beads or pearls, some 11 to PF 557 seed beads, 0.2 millimeter monofilament thread, it is transparent. Then I need some chain. I'm using this one 1.5 millimeter stainless steel golden chain. Then we need one lobster clasp and 4 jump rings, a needle. I'm using a number 10 needle. Once we have threaded the needle, we have to pick up the bicones and the seed beads and make a sequence of a seed bead and a bicone, a seed bead and a bicone, a seed bead and the bicone, and repeat these steps until you have finished the bicones. So you have to alternate seed beads and the bicones on the thread. At the end of this process, we will have a sequence of 12 seed beads and 12 bicones in this way. We start with a seed bead and we end with a 4mm bicone. Pass through the first seed bead and pull the thread. Then pass with the thread through the whole sequence of beads to reinforce the work, reinforce the circle we have made in this way. Now we are ready to go on. Pick up 3 11 golden seed beads and pass through the next bicone, skipping the seed bead, and pull the thread. Then pick up 3 11 seed bead and pass through the next bicone in this way and pull the thread, and pick up again 3 11 seed beads and pass through the next bicone, pull the thread, and now we have done the first curve of our heart. Pick up again 3 11 seed beads, pass through the next bicone and push them in the inner part of the heart. Now repeat the same steps we have done before. Pick up 3 golden seed beads and pass through the next bicone and pull the thread. And repeat this step 2 more times. This is the second one. And this is the third one. In this way, we have done the second part of our heart. Now pass through the next seed bead, the next bicone, the next seed bead, the next bicone, pull the thread in this way, pick up 3 11 seed beads, skip the seed bead and pass through the next bicones on the right side of our beaded heart. So now we have finished our heart, but I'm going to pass again the thread through all the beads, all the seed beads, to reinforce the final shape of our beaded heart. So in this way, as you can see, it is really easy to make this art, and I have tried also to make it with pearls. So please let me know if you would like to make some earrings with this shape, because I have done some pearls heart, and I want to share with you how I make earrings with these wonderful beaded arts. Once we have passed the thread through the beads, we have the two ends of the thread exiting the two beads, one in front of the other. I am making some knots in this way, 2 or 3. Then you can secure the knots with some glue. And now I'm going to pass the ends of the thread with needle through the next beads. In this way I'm going to use some pliers. Then cut the other end of the thread and use a big eye needle to pass the thread through the seed bead and the bicone, the second end of the thread. In this way, and use the pliers again. Now we are going to cut the excess of the thread, and our heart is finished. So now we have to mount the necklace with some golden chain. I'm cutting about 20 centimeters of chain for 2 times, so 2 pieces of 20 centimeters. So this is the first one, and this is the second one. In this way. Now we have to use the jump rings to join the chain to the beaded art. Pass the jump ring through the golden seed bead in the middle, and then add the chain, the first piece of chain we have cut, and close the jump ring. And we have to repeat the same step on the other side of the heart. So pick up again another jump ring, pass through the middle golden seed bead on the other side of the heart, and then pick up the other piece of chain and pass through the jump ring. In this way, close the jump ring, and now we are ready to add our lobster clasp and our jump rings. So pick up another jump ring, pass through the last ring of the chain, pick up the lobster clasp and pass through the jump ring in this way, and close the jump ring with another plier. Then pick up again another jump ring, pass through the last ring of the chain, the last piece of the chain. And in this case I have just added one jump ring on the other side of the chain, but you can also add other jump rings to make the necklace adjustable. So our heart necklace is ready, and I hope this video is more clear than the other one with the music. So please let me know in the comments if you liked this one. And with this tutorial I want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.